got this from it's an eyeball bit concave eye cutter. I don't know if you can see this, but right here it's from Manpa. So I was trying to, I'm here in Canada, so I'm trying to get an order, but it seems to be I don't get any, a bit cheaper price. But I'm trying to look for a cheaper price, and I looked to the online. There's, I don't know, it's weird, I cannot get in Amazon. So I got it from King Arthur website. They sell different kinds of stuff for carving tools. So anyway, I bought this eyeball bit concave eye cutter, the shank. So there are kinds of there are any 8 pieces of sets, 8 pieces of sets. So I'm not, I will make it more easier to make an eye, so make it more faster. So let's try. I have to be careful making an eye to make it perfect, so I have to see the alignment. So it really works. So eagle's eyes, a little bit realistic figure. See, it's perfect. You can see what I do is I see in the front too, so it's kind of dark here. But this dark spot right here is just burn texture, so I'm gonna, anyway, we're just gonna paint it. Guys, I already finished the detailing of the eagle. Only finished detailing the eagle, and now is I'm gonna do is, in order to find the texture, I have to burn it so that the fuzz, the splinters go away, and I have to burn that, and with my Bernzomatic torch, this one. So after that, after I burned it, I'm gonna use my own flex sander. I made this myself. Don't try this at home. Here, center part of the body and the wings with black, and this one will be white, and you know what eagle is. What eagle is color. So I have to shake it more and more. So that's all, folks. I already finished the bald eagle. Basically dedicated to a memorial friend, a close neighbor. Yeah, here it is. So I put some tongue oil. Want to try out some tongue oil after coloring. Something a little bit, giving a little bit color here, a little bit greens. United States Navy Allison, our good friend, neighbor, passed away a year ago, 2022. Son died 2018 firefighter. So I hope you like this video, guys, and I hope see you around, guys.